warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, Khusnul Nur Aziza and Ulfa Nurma Aziza.
Good evening.
Okay, today we are going to discuss about approach, method, design, and procedure. So what do you think, guys, about approach? How about you, Ulfa?
Approach.
Yes.
As I know, approach is a way of looking at teaching and learning. An approach gives rise to to method, the way of teaching something, which use classroom activities or techniques to help learners to learn.
Okay, how about you, Khusnul Nur Aziza?
Okay, in my opinion, approach it defines assumption, beliefs, and theories about the nature of language and language learning.
Okay, in my point of view, based on Richard and Roger, 1986, an approach refers to the general assumptions about what language is and about how learning a language occurs. So we can conclude that an approach is the general assumption, right?
Yes.
Okay, how about method? Khusnul Nur Aziza?
In my opinion, method is the level at which the theory is put into practice. It's an overall plan for the orderly presentation of language material that is based upon the selected approach.
And Ulfa?
Method is the principal relation of an approach. The organization of the method have arrived at discussion of about type or activities, rules of teacher and learners, the kinds of material which will be helpful, and some model of syllabus organization. Methods include various procedures and techniques as part of their standard fare.
I agree with Ulfa because method consists of technique and what, Ulfa? Technique
Procedure.
and procedure, right?
Yes.
A method is, in my opinion, a method is practical implementation of an approach or set of procedures. So how about design, guys? Who first? Khusnul or Ulfa?
Okay, in my opinion, design it specifies the relationship of the theories to classroom materials and activities.
Okay, same opinion with me. The design is consists of materials and activities in the classroom. And how about you, Ulfa?
I think my opinion is same with Azizah. Design is specific the relationship and theories to classroom materials.
So the design is consists of the material and the activities in the classroom, like the do talks and maybe like that, yeah.
Yeah.
And how about procedure, guys?
Procedure that are the techniques and practice that are derived from one's approach and design.
Okay, in my opinion, according to Jeremy Harmer, 2001, procedure described as an order set of technique. They are the step-by-step measures to execute a method. And how about you, Ulfa?
As I know, procedure is an ordered sequence of techniques. For example, a popular destination procedure starts when students are put in
Sorry, Ulfa, we cannot hear. Oh my God, signal. Can you repeat, Ulfa?
Okay. Procedure is an ordered sequence of techniques. And for a procedure, a sequence which can be described in terms such as first, you do this and then you do that. Smaller than a method is bigger than the technique.
Okay, so we can conclude that the procedure is consists of technique and practice that we use in the classroom, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the last is about oh the relationship, right? Can you
Yes.
explain for us, Azizah, what the relationship?
Okay, in my opinion, approach is the level of theories. Method is the plan of language teaching, which is consistent with the theories, and then technique carry out a method. In other words, the arrangement of the three is that approach is axiomatic, and then method is procedural, and technique is implementational.
Okay. The material the material that I get in the internet, that the procedure and the technique is have a relationship, that implementing a procedure necessary certain practice and behaviors that operate in teaching a language according to a particular method. This practice and behavior are the techniques that every procedure relies on. Techniques in the sense are the part and parcel of procedure. So that the material that I get in the internet, the procedure and technique is related. Okay. Um,
Uh,
what do you think,
as I
guys?
know, what I get from internet also, the relationship between approach, method, and technique, the level approach, the level which assumption and belief about language and language learning of specified. Approach is axiomatic and method, the level at which the theory is put into practice. It's an overall plan for orderly presentation of language material that is based upon the selected approach. Method is procedural, and the technique, the level at which classroom procedures and described technique is implementational.
Okay. We can get many information and knowledge about approach, method, design, procedure, and also technique. Okay.
Yes.
That's enough, guys.
Yes. I
Okay,
think
we
that's
can close our meeting. Okay, thank you for your time, guys.
you're
You're
welcome.
welcome.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Bye
wabarakatuh.
bye.